So finding out the best custom ROM for the OnePlus 5T is not at all an easy task. I mean, I swept through almost all of the 8.1 ROMs available on the XGA or in the Telegram groups or wherever you can see. I tried almost each and every ROM, but all of them were having that similar bug. Yeah, that headphone issue. I mean, just whenever you are in a call and you connect the headphone, it will bring up some annoying and very irritating noise which will blow up your mind. I mean, not in the sense of good way, but in a bad way, of course. You won't be able to hear what the other person is speaking, neither you can hear only your voice. I mean, that's so weird, right? So I just moved off totally from the custom ROMs just because I use headphone a lot, and for my Bluetooth I was using this Mivi Thunderbirds, and for the wired connections I was using this Sony headphones. I don't know the model number, I just forgot, but I was using this too as my companion, and both of them was giving me issues. So I just completely moved off from the custom ROM section and just went all off to stock. Now, a few days back, on 21st June, I found that my Telegram is popping up. For what? That's the AEX dumpling group. I just went there and just found, and I was just reading up the text and just found a change log of the 21st build. Now, I was just reading of them and found a point, that's the headphone issue has been fixed. I asked them, they have told that first try and then you won't regret. So quickly I just backed up all of my data, flashed the ROM, and yes, they were right. The headphone issue finally is fixed and each and everything is working perfectly fine on this ROM, except some minor camera issues that some few third-party camera apps is not working as of now. So let me just show you once that which camera app is not working. If I go and try to open Basics 12 from here, this won't work at all. But if you say about the Google camera, that works perfectly fine. You can just able to click whatever pictures you want. Let me just show you. That's a bit slow, but somewhere it works. The new feature of air stickers is also available here. The portrait mode, yes, that works perfectly fine. You can see that the portrait mode is also perfectly fine. So in this video I'll be doing a quick review of the ROM, what works, what doesn't work, and how did I manage to install this and everything about this ROM. So hello guys, you're watching the Correct Figure, and in this video we'll be reviewing the AEX extended ROM for the OnePlus 5T. So let's get started. Now before I get into the video, I just want to tell you something that I have installed a hell lot of apps on this device and particularly on this ROM. So as you can see that I have right now installed 307 apps on the device, including PUBG and some of the mobile games like Clash of Clans and 8.1 Oreo or that basic games. So I have installed all of them, as you can see. Now if I want to go and open Antutu benchmark, but I forgot to install, so let's just do it. So I just go and install Antutu benchmark. So if I just install the Antutu benchmark and I just show you the benchmark scores over here. I'll also download the Geekbench for ease. This video is gonna be a little longer, but just bear it. So here if I go to Antutu benchmark and let it open. It's pretty bench app, it's asking me to download this one. Okay, so 156 MB. Finally, here is the score of our device. That's 187,218. And the CPU repeated 19% of the users, GPU 9%, UX 31%, and memory 55%. Now this is done. Let's go to the Geekbench one. Well, let's see how it performs. Before that, I just wipe all of the remaining apps under the background, and let's go to the Geekbench 4. Let's accept this one. Run CPU benchmark. So we got the scores over here. So here is the single core score and multi-core score. So you can just see that how well the ROM is performing. Now we'll just try to open some of the games which I have tested onto it. And the first game on the list will be PUBG Mobile. Let's see that how much time it takes to boot it up. So as you can see that there is no issue in the graphics. I'm just absolutely running this on the high mode only. So let me just show you once my graphics page. So as you can see that I'm on HD. So sorry. So let me just do that. So realistic, and that's okay. So it doesn't gives me an issue at all. That runs perfectly fine for me. I'm easily getting 30-35 FPS onto the game. I guess not less than that. Now talking about some of the features for which I like this ROM the most. The first feature is the gestures. Now all of you guys know that the Austrian OS is the closed source. I mean the gestures which are available on the stock ROM, you can't just easily port it onto your custom ROM or something like that. So you can just easily do that. But Xiaomi's gestures, somewhere the developers have managed to do so, and this works perfectly and accurately on this ROM itself. Now I've tried the 8.1 Oreo Elementor's unofficial build also. It also have the same gestures features only, but that doesn't work at all. Now I have to enable the navigation once, and the navigation bar also somewhere is buggy. The recent one, I mean once you tap for the recent, it will switch you to twice or thrice before the app which you was using on that time only. So that was a pretty buggy issue. Previously I was on that ROM only, thought of reviewing that, but that's of no use. That's very buggy. Let this table after 5 to 6 minutes, I'll just do so. Now then, get back to the ROM. Now for enabling that, what you need to do is you just need to go to the extensions. From here you just need to go to the navigation, and here you'll find an option called Edge Gestures. Just go and turn it on. Trigger options just as per your need, and you will just get each and everything you need over here. So that's very good. Now the navigation bar is also there. If you want, you can just enable it. That works perfectly fine. Let me just show you once. So I just did the fling one. So if you just change over to the smart bar, that also works perfectly fine. As you can see, I just don't need that. I love big screens. Now leaving that, each and every features are also available on each and every ROMs. Now I'm not rooted at all right now. I mean it's just a normal thing to install Magisk, but right now I haven't rooted it yet. But each and every features is working perfectly fine. The camera and all, and the most thing is the stability and the call issues working perfectly fine. No issues at all. So thought of reviewing this ROM for you guys. Hope you guys liked it. If you guys liked it, then don't forget to like, share your thoughts, comment on the comment box, and read the description for the downloads. As always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Have a great day. This is That were Quicker signing off. You guys have a great day. Bye. And one more thing. Don't forget to subscribe, please. I took a very huge effort to make this strong. And if you guys liked it, then don't go amateurs by not subscribing to this channel. Please, it will help me a lot and also motivate me a lot to bring out most exciting contents for you guys. Thank you, and once again, have a great day.